Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. So I've been really late this time to shoot my May favorites, but I thought better late than never. I got some really cool products which I would be continuing to use that I used the first time in May, and I'll be very happy to share them with you. So let's get started. So the first the range of products which I really liked were the Nykaa French Lavender range. I have the fragrance mist, I have the shower gel, and also I have the body lotion, and I can't hold the three clearly. So these are the three ones. This is the shower gel. This has the fragrance of French lavender in it, and I'll link down the prices below, but in total they don't come greater than 1500, all three, the trio. And as you all would know, I love lavender. I love the fragrance of lavender, and this out here actually smells of French lavender. So I was in France for a certain brief period of time, and French lavender actually smells a little different from all the lavender oil that we get in India, and this actually smells of that. So firstly, that was quite a plus point, and secondly, because I was using all the three, the fragrance used to last for a very long time, a good 3 to 4 hours, even for the mist, which it does not last that long. And like this mist is the cost of this mist is 700 bucks, and this is quite a good quantity for 700. Its smell, I would say, is second only to Body Shop Night Jasmine. I love it that much. So this is the Nykaa range that I really like, Bath and Body range. Do tell me if you want a detailed review on it, so I'll make a separate video on that. So these are my first favorites. My second favorite is a makeup product, which is Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Mad Magenta. This is the shade. I will not be giving you a swatch or like a wearing test, because I've already worn it in many of my videos. So I'll link one of the videos on the screen where I'm wearing it. It's really nice. Whenever I wear it, even in my videos or in in my daily routine, I always get compliments. This Mad Magenta color, this mostly complements all the dresses, Indian and Western both. So in case you want a natural pink kind of a color to your lips, which is a little occasional, this is the color to go to. And it is for 5.99 bucks, and they keep having offers, so it's not extremely expensive as well. So this was the second product. The third product actually is the Island Kiss Pure Berry Blush Lip Moisturizer in the shade Berry Cherry. Now this shade is actually has so much color and so much moisture that you can actually make it your everyday lip gloss, and you don't everyday lip moisturizer, lip balm. You don't need to apply any color, you don't need to apply any moisturizer to your lip. This baby works really well. I got this in my Envy box, and I've been using it ever since. Whenever I don't feel like applying anything on my lips, I use this. Of course, I use Palmer's in the morning, but for color, this is the best bet. And now I'll come to the fourth product. This was also Inveda Sunscreen Cream Gel in SPF 30. Whenever I look at this tube, I feel it's the Inveda BB cream. I'm about to say BB cream, but then I see no, it's the sunscreen. So I guess I got this in my fab bag last month in May. And this has been like a second favorite for me, only to Lotus, which has been my favorite for like 4 years at least now. I've also made a video on it, we'll link it here. Now this I mostly use in daily wear. Let's say if I'm staying indoors, or in office also I have like some indoor kind of a work. This works out really well because first of all, it does not give you a white cast. Secondly, it's paraben free, and thirdly, it does not make your skin look too oily. I have really oily skin, so even if I apply a little bit of a cream or anything of that sort, it starts feeling oily. This baby does not make me feel oily, which is why I love it. So these were, I guess, my 4 favorites. The fifth favorite, or I guess I can, fifth and sixth we can combine, is the Khadi Aloe Vera Gel and the Aloe Vera Night Cream by the Body Shop. I'm combining it because they are both aloe vera. Now Khadi Aloe Vera Gel, I have been using it for multiple purposes. I've also put a detailed review in my Khadi products review in my Go Green series. I'll link it there. And aloe vera cream, I have been I started using this aloe vera cream because it was too much of summers and I was getting some acne, and people say that aloe vera is really good for soothing acne. And this night cream has really worked wonders. It's a little on the expensive side, but if you see the benefits, my skin has started feeling like glowing and radiant after using this, which I guess no other cream has given me that till now. Yeah, I used to use Garnier night cream. It was good, I was happy with it, but this is my new favorite. So these are again some products. I will now be going mostly to the lifestyle products. These were the beauty and skincare. Now the first product that I have here are these pair of earrings. I have shown them to you in my shopping haul as well. I was wearing it in one of my videos. So when I took these earrings, I was very skeptical as to where I would use them. But I wore them like on coffee dates, I wore them for movies, I wore them at a small family function also, and it has worked really well. Whenever I wear it, people are like, you're looking really good, you're looking really different, and I always get compliments. So, and there are so many uses to this dress. I have used it with black, I've used it with white, I have used it with a multicolored dress, so it was, you know, complementing color on color, and I've used it on a pink dress as well. So like, there are multiple places where you can wear it, multiple looks that you can create with it. So this is my first lifestyle favorite. Second one is actually a book. This is the life-changing Magic of Tidying. The name is really long. I just call it Tidying Book by Marie Kondo. So this is, I told you in my TMI that I'm currently reading it. Now I'm finished with it and I'm actually trying to, you know, tidy up my house. It's remarkably tidy, I would say. I mostly keep my room and my home tidy. But to, you know, declutter your life and declutter your mind, this book really works wonder. Now, but the method that she's telling is it takes a little time, so I'm actually in the process of doing it. If I complete it successfully, I will definitely share my method of organizing and cleaning and tidying up with you, which is the Marie Kondo method or the KonMari method. So this is my second lifestyle favorite. Third lifestyle favorite also is from a subscription bag. I've been really lucky in May, the subscription bag. It is this scarf. I got this in my Lady Raga bag. I guess you've seen me wearing it also in a video. Now the length of the scarf is such, I have used it as a summer scarf. I have used it to cover my face from summers. I've used it as a dupatta, and I've used it like to cover my head at a temple and everything. So there are so many uses to this, and look at the pom-poms, they look so cute. And again, similar to the earrings, this thing also has multiple uses. You can wear it with multiple dresses, Indian and Western both, and multiple colors also, pink, blue, white and black, and you can create different looks with it, which is why I really love it. And the last but not the least is a summer purse that I have. This is the purse. If you can see, this is a summer tote by a brand known as La Prairie. It's not a very well-known brand or something, but I like the laser print that it has. It is really big, and I took it for my one of my trips, let's say, and it was really spacious. You can see there's one compartment. There are things in it, so I'm a little skeptical to open it and show you, but I'll still do it. It's not very organized as well. You can see there's a zip and there's a big compartment here, and like the color, the kind of pattern that it had, and like it was so easy to carry it in my hand that I've fallen in love with it. So that is again one of my favorite. So these were my May favorites. Of course, I've been very late in shooting it, but it's okay. I don't have a choice, I guess. And also June, I'm really looking forward to the month of June because it's my birthday month and it's my most favorite month of the year. So my birthday would be coming in June. I would hopefully be doing a get ready with me on my birthday as well. Not on my birthday per se, but like the same look. And please do pray for me, please bless me. It's my birthday month and I'm really happy. And I'm getting older, but it's okay. Yeah. So these are my May favorites. Do tell me how you liked it. If any of these products have been your favorites also this May. And what are your May favorites? Do tell me more about it as well. And until next time then, thank you for watching. Bye.